Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from the warehouse here in Las Vegas, and today we're going to be going over an awesome alternator solution for you for your ride. But first, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, let's get into this video. I have tons of people asking me what alternator that I recommend and what do I use and why. So in this video, I'm gonna be going through that. And to start off, we are recommending and using Mechman alternators. Since I've been in car audio, I've seen, it seems like 100 different car audio alternator companies come and go in that time. There's so many fly-by-night type of companies, and I see people getting taken advantage of over these years, and that's why I'm recommending Mechman, because they've been around for a very long time. They're not just to pop up and take your money, promise you a lifetime warranty and all these crazy promises, and then go out of business 6 months later and you're left hanging when you have an issue with your alternator. So I recommend Mechman. I've been using them for years, probably going on 10 years now. I've used Mechman in my Tahoe, as you know, Neo-Ho. It's been a great alternator for me, and it always performs, no issues. Same thing with my work truck that I have out here in Las Vegas. You've probably seen in some videos where we did the big 3 upgrade video. So I have a 370 amp on there. In my Tahoe, I have one 370 for the 12 volt side, and then I have 4 320s for the 16 volt side. So tons of alternator power going on in my very own rides, and you can see them in action if you're ever at like the warehouse here or at a show where the Tahoe is. You can see them ginning all day long. So I recommend them for that reason. I have tons of experience with them. I use them and I've seen them in action, and we've sold thousands of them. Last year alone, we sold over $500,000 worth of Mechman alternators. So that lets you know we turn over a bunch of them, and there's tons and tons, thousands and thousands of people using them. So that's proof in the pudding right there. They have instituted a 2-year warranty on the car audio alternators, and then they still have a 1-year warranty on marine alternators. They also offer marine alternators for your boats and stuff like that. So we know that marine is a lot more demanding than car audio, because a lot of people are using their boats like in the ocean water and stuff like that, and salt water is very hard on any type of parts. So different types of Mechman alternators, they have several different ones. I'm going to reference GM because GM alternators are your most common alternators when it comes for a car audio build, such as your Tahoes, Suburbans, Chevy trucks, stuff like that. People use them more often than any other vehicle. Another reason why people use them is because there's a bunch of multi-alternator bracket solutions with GM vehicles. So people use that vehicle to do their big base builds, because you can have up to 4 additional alternators no problem on a GM vehicle. 170 amp, I believe, for a GM. Then they go to a 240, a 320, a 370, and a 400. So there's tons of different amperage alternators for a GM truck, or GM full size as they call it. Anyway, we have tons of Mechman alternators in stock. The reason for this is trying to be able to have as many different SKUs as possible so we can ship them out as fast as possible. If you order direct from Mechman, it's going to be the same exact price, but they don't stock anything. So it's going to be around a 3-week build time if you have to get a custom built alternator on your own. So that's why they shoot a ton of customers to us, because we stock tons of the alternators, and we try to keep at least one of each alternator that is, I think, the top 20 in popularity. So if it's like something super random like a Model T from 1917 or whatever, obviously we're not going to have that. You're going to have to wait on that. But if it's of decent relevancy, we're going to have it in stock more than likely. All right, that's going to be it on this video. We went through why I use Mechman, why you should use Mechman. At Down for Sound, we have the guaranteed lowest prices and the most in stock. You shouldn't even be looking anywhere else for a Mechman alternator. There's no reason to. We're going to ship it out the fastest because we back it by the Down for Sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. And we have 4 different types, the same as cash financing, on the website under the financing tab. So you can check that out on the website. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Later. Yo, what's up guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.